इनफ, नहीं हो रहा मुझसे। जितना भी ढूंढो ये जॉब मिलती ही नहीं है। Relax babe, you can always ask me. Just type in how to find a job. Easy peasy. No, it's not that easy. तुम इसे छोड़ो. Use me to reach out to people you want to work with and send them a connection request. Start a conversation. Yeah, right. And what makes you think they'll reply, huh? Listen to me. अपना Instagram का feed अच्छा बनाओ and start DMing people. ऐसे मिल जाएगा job. तुम सबके सब ना झूठ बोल रहे हो. Yes, you start being political on Twitter, okay? And tweet to the government. ऐसे कैसे they are not taking the job situation seriously, huh? They'll chuck you out of the country. Don't do that. Leave me a testimonial before you leave the country, okay? Help! ये 2020 है और अगर आप ट्रेडिशनल तरीकों से जॉब सर्च कर रहे हैं then you need to take a step back and rethink your job hunt strategy. And if your strategy starts with looking for easy applied jobs on LinkedIn and ends with you applying to 1,000 random jobs on Glassdoor, then sadly your efforts are going to end up in vain and you too need a brand new plan. Let's call it the social media plan, where you use Google and social media to get the job of your dreams. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Number 1. Run a successful Google search. The most obvious but highly underrated resource when it comes to looking for a job. Google can be a great search tool only अगर आप उसे तरीके से इस्तेमाल करें. That Google search bar looks very friendly and answers almost all of your long-worded questions, but more often than not, a poorly worded search can be a waste of time and opportunity. So how does one run a successful Google search? The not so little secret is keywords. You need to be very precise and concise with your keywords when searching for a job. Here's an example to make things easier for you. If you're in Mumbai and you're looking for a data entry job, then search for full-time data entry job in Mumbai. The engine picks up on keywords and in turn generates better results. You could use Google's powerful search engine by using Google Maps to look for organizations in a specific area, or even type jobs near me to know companies hiring in your vicinity. Ask Google to refine the research results by giving it a time frame to select the latest openings. A bonus tip: use all these tools together for best results. Follow companies on social media. Most organizations these days have a social media presence to push their brand voice, new work, and even job openings. You must make it a point to follow them on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. ये करने से आपको उनकी work culture, ethics, और vision के बारे में एक clear answer मिलेगा. Furthermore, you can leverage that to be one of the first ones to share your resume or portfolio whenever they post a new job. Hi Prerna, how are you? Listen, I've sent you an email. मेरा नया आर्टिकल है. एक बार देख लेना प्लीज. हाँ दक्ष, प्लीज तो एक बार खोल के तो देख ले. अरे कांक्षा यार, बस 2 मिनट लगेंगे, देख के बताना कैसा लगा. यार शगुन, व्हाट डू यू मीन, तेरे पास टाइम नहीं है मेरा आर्टिकल पढ़ने का? संजना, कोई मेरा काम नहीं देख रहा, क्या करूं?
ब्रो, तो वो अपना आर्टिकल इंस्टा और एफबी पे क्यों नहीं डाल देती? वहाँ पे सब लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट सब कर देंगे.
Build your social media work presence. Treat your social media accounts as a work portfolio. Whenever you have a new work coming up, post that on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. If you're not comfortable sharing all of that on a personal account, you could always make a switch to a professional account, which will be open for everyone to see. Use relevant hashtags to make your posts discoverable. Post regularly to build an audience that follows you for your work. But do not mix your personal random stuff on this profile. Stick to your niche. This will help you build your online presence and personality. Here's a secret. Start sharing work of organizations you wish to work with. When you advocate for someone else, they're more likely to take notice of you and be more open to your messages. Number 4. Slide into their DMs. If there's an organization that you've been dying to work at for a long time, then उनको LinkedIn या Instagram पर direct message send कीजिए. What to write to them? एक 250 words का cover letter that explains to them how much you love their work and how much you like to work with them. Freshers, take a note here. This can prove to be one of the best ways to reach out to people without any work experience or references. While this strategy may work for smaller organizations, it may not work for bigger organizations. In that case, you need to reach out to people working within these organizations on LinkedIn and send them a direct message on their professional account. Introduce yourself to them. Tell them about your experience in 1 or 2 lines. Express how much you want to work with them, how you could help them. You could even offer a one-off project or collaboration as a way to start. But do not keep following if you don't hear back. You could piss them off. Make the most of multimedia tools. Social media enables you to put yourself out there in more ways than one. You could have a video to introduce yourself, a presentation about your career trajectory, a website for your portfolio to show your work. You could have a link in bio or even a dedicated QR code to drive people to your website so that they get to know more about you and your work. That's it from us on this Get a Job video. If you found this video helpful, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Cool Kanya. Tune into this space for more such videos, and until next time, raise your power.